The next stage is to create the wall of the house with its windows. So it's modify and offset, pick our vertical line there, right click, click on through point, then right click again, then click distance and then type the distance that you require, 230, and then indicate the side. We're then going to offset the bottom line here, 2862, so the object to offset is that one, and right click through point, right click distance 2862, and OK. Indicate the side. That sets the bottom line of the window wall. Then to get the top line of the window wall, it's 8862. So object to offset is the bottom line again. Right click through point, right click distance 8862. We'll OK that and indicate the side. Now we can trim those off. So it's modify, trim. That's the cutting edge. Slice off that piece, slice off that piece. Now I want to know what's the distance to the individual windows, so I can hold my wheel of the mouse down and pan across and pick my distance option, distance from an intersect there to an intersect there tells me the distance is 1500, so I can escape from there, hold the wheel of the mouse down and drag across, and we'll modify, offset this little line there, right click through point, right click distance 1500, OK that, indicate the side. We can pick that line, offset it again, offset that line, and again. There's our window wall, and we can exit. Now the sight line that I created over here, which shows a view looking from the internal room out into the garden to give us a focal point of about a third the way up from the bottom, is already in position. If you needed to draw that, you could draw, I've got a drawing colour of red, you could draw a dummy line, or a little construction line from an intersect there to another intersect there, and exit. Then you could draw the construction line up by picking the centre point of there. So let's show you. Draw. We'll pick a ray, which is also a construction line, but it doesn't extend to infinity in both directions. So we could pick it up by the midpoint, which is this one, the midpoint of that line, and show the ray as extending out. So now our red line extends out to the right hand side. So can you see you use a combination of techniques to put geometry down in a gCADPlus drawing. Well, while we're at it, we'll offset the back wall, so modify, offset the back wall, right click through point, right click distance is 1000. It's a metre from the back wall of the window wall. So there's our line running through here.